Learning built for you, shaped around your skills, your goals, and your interests. An experience unique to you. Most courses are built for everyone, which means they're built for no one. Until now. Meet DataCamp's AI Tutor, a personal learning experience built entirely around you. Whether building AI fundamentals or advanced data skills, it adapts to your level, your speed, your way of learning, crafting relatable examples from your world. Stuck on a concept? It guides you through it. Already ahead? It keeps pace, helping you reach your goals faster. Fully interactive, truly intuitive. One platform, endless routes to mastery. For every level, delivered at any scale. The world's #1 AI tutor for AI and data upskilling, ready to take you further, faster.